And she's back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed, my Montero Sport is back in action. As you can see, we are starting to have nice weather, and I took her out of the garage. She's back in the street. Actually, I was using her for a brief moment, and I had her in the garage for a brief moment, but she's back on the streets. I'm hoping to continue my project with her. For those of you who are OG to my channel know that this is my favorite truck in the whole wide world. Yes, it's an old truck. It has some minor issues, but I'm hoping to fix that this summer. I already fixed, as you guys can tell, the two fender. What was it? Last year I put this on it. I tried to fix this, but it wasn't successful. I had to finish doing that. I fixed the wing, remember that? What else? I fixed the two fenders, actually, right here, actually. I was here last year. It was that fender, and this fender. And I fixed the headlights. You can see now they're halos, but I still need to wire them up. Look, oh my God, oh my God. I am filming a video. Yeah, gotta be a fool does. So as you can see, I don't know why this thing has been cracking or something. I think that's the clear coat that I put. I sprayed it wrong. Tried to redo that. But yeah, it's looking good. Look how she looks. She's looking beautiful, I might add. Real beautiful. Look at that. Look at that view. Oh my God, I love that truck. She's sexy, sexy bitch. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna hopefully be finishing up all of these minor projects, and I'm gonna be having her sexy again. What? And look at the new car from Full Dust. Pretty cool, sexy little bitch.
Yes.
So anyway,
yo.
we got a VTEC. So yeah, this is her. She's gonna be. I'm gonna finish wiring up the halos and finish up some little minor projects and big project as painting the whole truck and stuff like that. Hopefully, it's done this summer, right? Yeah. This is Matata. Peace in the Middle East.